Hakshaprakshalam samarpayami. So the right hand, take the water, the right hand now and sip it. Om Keshavaya Namaha. Om Madhavaya Namaha. Om Govindaya Namaha. Rinse your hands. Hakshaprakshalam samarpayami. Take the mango leaf ring and put it on the right finger, the right ring finger. Om Govitrastu Vaishnavyo Savitu Vaha Prasava. Right, so you do the same thing with the person next to you now. Om Hakshaprakshalam Samarpayami. Sip the water. Keshavaya Namah. Madhavaya Govindaya Namah. Rinse your hands. Hakshaprakshalam Samarpayami. Put on the ring. Om Pavitrastu Vaishnavyo Savitu Vaha Prasava. Take the lota of water and sprinkle around you, around the baby. Om Apavitra Pavitro Va Sarvastangato Viva Yasmare Pundarikaksha Sarvaya Bhantaraha Suchi. Om Sri Vishnu, Sri Vishnu, Sri Vishnu Namaha. Take flowers in your hand and light the diya on the parai. Repeat in your mind, Om Gam Ganapatiye Namah, while you're lighting the fire. Take flowers in your hand. Concentrate on Bhagwan Ganesh. Keep repeating in your mind. Om Gam Ganapatiye Namaha. Om Apavitra Pavitro Va Sarvastangato Piva Yahasmare Pundarikaksha Sarvaya Bhantaraha Suchi. Om Sri Vishnu, Sri Vishnu, Sri Vishnu Namaha. Om Swasti Naindro Vridashvaha. Swastirna Pusha Vishwaveda. Swastir Sakshura Rishtanemi. Swastino Brahaspati Diradatu. Om Agni Devta Vatu Devta. Surya Devta Chandrama Devta. Vasu Devta Rudro Devta. Aritir Devta Varno Devta. Brahaspati Devta Brahma Devta. Om Samukascha Karantascha. Kapilo Gajara Karnakaha. Lambodarascha Vikato Vinayasho Vinayaka. Om Shanno Mitra Shamvarna Shanno Bhavyaryama. Shanno Indro Brahaspati Shanno Vishnu Rurukame. Sarva Mangala Mangalye Shrive Sarvat Sadhike Sharanye Trayambike Gauri Narayani Namastude Samudra Vasanye Devi Parvastana Mandaliye Vishnu Patni Namastubhyam Pradas Vrashakshamamyam Brahma Murari Tripurantakani Bhano Shashi Bhumi Suto Purascha Guruscha Shukraha Shani Rahu Ketu Graha Shanti Karavantu Om Bhurvuvaswaha Tatsavitурvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Ekadantaya Vidmahe Vakratundaya Dhimahi Tanno Danti Prachodayat. Om Gam Ganapatiye Namaha. Prem se bolo Gajanan Swami ki Jai. Offer that flowers in front of Shri Ganesh. Take an empty palm leaf now, and in that palm leaf you put a little bit of rice, you put a coin, you put a supari, you put a few pieces of grass, and you put flowers. If you have the young bay leaf, you can also add it to that mix. Put the flowers in that leaf. Hold it in your hands. Take your name. Take your home address. Concentrate on Lord Ganesh. And you keep offering a prayer and asking for what you want. Repeat in your minds, Om Gam Ganapatiye Namah. Om Hari Om Tat Sat Hari Om Tat Sat Hari Om Tat Sat. Swabhiganta. Om Vishnu 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 Shri Madhu Bhagavato Mahapurushatya Vishnu Radya Paradya Manasya Dya Shri Brahmano Dviti Paradya Vishnu Padya Shri Shri Gavadaha Kalpe Vaivashtamanvantare Ashtadin Satami Kaliyuge Kalipatama Sharami Jambhumite Aryavrte Punya Kshetre Vishwanim Iti Sri Bhaktanamasya Gotrasya Ganapati Puja Kalashesa Puja Suryadi Navgraha Devta Puja Agnidev Puja Iti Sri Mahaganapati Utsav Vrat Puja Jayanti Puja Sankalpam Samarpiyami Om Ekadantaye Vidmahe Vakratundaye Dhimahi Tanno Danti Prachodayat Om Gam Ganapatiye Namaha. Prem se bolo Gajanan Swami ki Jai. Offer it inside of the Khalsa. Move the mango leaf, of course. Take your seat. You can rest that mango leaf one side. We will not be using that right now. The mango leaf for the Khalsa. Take a flower in your hand. Before you do that, put some rice on the palm leaf in front of the Lord Ganesh Murti. Then take flowers in your hand and concentrate on Bhagwan Ganesh. Concentrate on Lord Ganesh. And you ask him, Bhagwan, to manifest his energy, his divine energy into this Murti of yours. And to stay with you for the period of time of the Utsav. And as you do the devotion, let his energy increase, and whatever is your heart desire, whether you have troubles and difficulties, or you're asking for the fulfillment of desires, ask that his energy bring forth those things. Om Gananam Tva Ganapati Gwang Havamahe Priyanam Tva Prepati Gwang Havamahe Ridhinam Tva Nidhipati Gwang Havamahe Vaso Mama Hamajani Garbhagam Kamachasti Garbhaham Sriman Mahaganapatiye Namaha. Om Samukascha Karantascha Kapilo Gajara Karnakaha Lamborarascha Vikato Vinayasho Vinayaka Dhumraketu Gajanaksho Balachandro Gajana Dara Shaitani Namani Yadishno Yadati Vidyarambe Vivahecha Praveshe Nirgrame Sangrame Sankate Chaiva Vignatasya Jayate Shuklam Varadharam Deva Shashi Varnam Chaturbhujam Prasanna Varanandyaye Sarva Vigno Pashantaye Om Bhurguvasva Siddhi Vinayak Ihagacha Ihatishta Avahanapyami Sapathyami Patyami Tarpyami Pujyami Om Gam Ganapatiye Namaha. Prem se bolo Sri Ganesh Bhagwan ki Jai. Offer it in front of Bhagwan Ganapati. Sprinkle some water lightly on the Murti. Take up your Khalsa. In your Khalsa you put a little bit of rice and you put a little bit of flowers. Hold it in both hands like if you're holding a lota in your hand. Concentrate on the forms of Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva. Om Bhurasi Bhumiyasi Aditiyasi Vishwadaya Vishwasya Gurvanasya Dharti Om Prithvi Yaksha Prithvi Mai Vangshaha Prithvi Mai Vangshaha Oshadaya Samavar Danta Krishnoti Brahmastam Nanam Raktan Samayuktam Karta Swargipushantanam Asanam Deva Devashya Pre Prepati Grahitam. Om Kalash as put the kalsa on the leaf. And then you touch the neck of the kalsa, the mouth of the kalsa about 3 times. Om Kalash Asya Mukhe Vishnu Kante Rudra Samasita Astito Mule Brahmastam Brahma Vishnu Maheshwara Paramatmane Namastute. Next, take some rice and spread it out on the 9 leaves in front of you. Then you take enough flowers in your hand to offer on those 9 leaves. Let us concentrate on the Navagraha Devatas. Om Brahma Murari Tripurantakani Bhano Shashi Bhumi Suto Bhrascha Guruscha Shukraha Shani Rahu Ketu Graha Shanti Kalavandu. Start offering from one end and go down to the other end. If finishing on the side of the Havan Kun is on it. Om Japakasuma Sankasham Kashyapeyang Mahadyutam Tamoring Sarva Paparana Pranato Asmi Divakara Suryari Navagraha Devata Ihagaksha Ihatishta Avahanapyami Stapantyami Patyami Tanapyami Pujyami Suryari Navagraha Devata Ki Jai. So at this stage, we are going to do offerings to Lord Ganesh first, and then we're going to do the same offering inside of the Kalsa. Okay? Only the Ganesh Murti and the Kalsa we are concentrating on right now. So offer water. Om Gangesh Chayamuna Chaiva Godavari Narabahapi Sindhu Kalverijam Srinkuru Argyam Padyam Snanam Samarpyami. Take your Panchamrit now. Make sure it's well mixed. Offer in, don't soak the murti too much. Offer in front of the murti and inside of the kalsa. Om Payodari Gritam Chaiva Madhu Sharkara Samayuktam Panchamritam Mayanitam Snanaratam Prati Grihitam. Om Gam Ganapatiye Namaha. Next, take your cotton wool. And a little piece you put in front of Lord Ganesh, and then you put the other piece inside of the kalsa. Om Veda Sukta Samayukta Yagya Sama Saurvaram Sarva Varna Prade Deva Vasasi Prati Grihitam. Om Brahma next take the Rakshatra. Wrap it up on your 4 fingers like a circle. And then you offer that on Lord Ganesh. Om Brahma Vishnu Mahesh Chaimityam Brahma Sutrakam Yagyopavitang Denapatiyam Kamalapati. Take a next piece and wrap it around the neck of the kalsa this time. Om Brahma Vishnu Mahesh Chaimityam Brahma Sutrakam Yagyopavitang Denapatiyam Kamalapati. Yagyopavitam Paramam Pavitram Prajapati Stihani Cha Yagyopavitam Balamastuteja. Om Yagyopavitam Danam Samarpayami. Take your chandan. If you don't have chandan, in this case you can use the haradi. Make sure it's mixed up properly. Offer on the forehead of the murti. Om Sri Kanda Chandanam Divyam Gandhadyo Sumiro Harim Vilepani Shrishtam Chandanam Prati Grihitam. Off on the neck of the kalsa and then inside of the kalsa too. Om Sri Kanda Chandanam Divyam Gandhadyo Sumiro Harim Vilepani Shrishtam Chandanam Prati Grihitam. Om Chandanam Samarpayami. Next, you offer the haradi, offer on the murti, on the neck of the kalsa, then inside of the kalsa. Om Haritran Nirmitan Devam Saubhagya Sukha Samparam Atastvam Pujaishyami Grihana Parameshwaraha Om Ganganapatiyai Namaha. Take the sindur and do the same exact thing. Om, same order too. Om Sindurnam Shobhanam Raktan Saubhagya Sukha Samparam Sukharam Moksharam Chaiva Sindur Danam Prati Grihitam. Next you take a few pieces of blue grass, touch it first to the forehead of Lord Ganesh, and then you offer it on the same pan leaf for the flowers. Then you take a few pieces and put inside of the kalsa next. Om Kandat Kandat Purhanti Purusha Purusha Prani Evame Dubame Pratano Srasta Shatinaya Char Durvadanam Samarapayami. You take your perfume, you offer on the forehead of Lord Ganesh, and then on the neck of the kalsa and inside of the kalsa next. Offer. Om Gandha Grihana Devashya Deva Deva Nidhi Twamev Jagatam Natras Twamev Jagatam Prabhu Gandha Dhanam Samarapayami. Take a piece of mango leaf from your tarya, scoop up a little bit of the sugar with the ghee, and you offer in front of Lord Ganesh. Om Sharkara Kanda Karyani Dali Chirigrihani Cha Aharam Bhakshabhojan, and then you do the same thing of inside the kalsa. Naivedyam Prati Grihitam Naivedyam Prati Grihitam Bhakti Mehan Chalanchu Elipsitam Meharandehi Pradachara Prangatim. Offer water, both places. Papuham Papukaramaham Papatma Sambhava Trahimam Pundarikaksha Sarva Papa Haro Hari. Next you offer palm leaf in front of the murti and one inside of the kalsa. Oh, let it tip of the palm leaf point you. Idam Palang Maya Devistan Pitam Purna Tastava Tiname Sukta Janmani Janmani. Om Tambulam Samarapayami. Take clove, and you offer clove on top of the palm leaf, and then you offer some inside of the kalsa. Om Lavang Karpura Samyuktam Tambulam Surpujitam Pratyagrihana Devashya Mama Saukyam Vivaradanam. You take a supari, put one in front on the top of the same palm leaf in front of the murti, and then you put the other one inside of the kalsa. Om Pungde Palang Mahadivyam Nagabalai Samayuktam Karirari Samayuktam Tambul Danam Prati Grihitam. Offer water, both places. Om Papuham Papukarmaham Papatma Sambhava Trahimam Pundari Ekaksha Sarva Papa Haro Hari. Take coin, put one in front of the murti and one side of the kalsa. Om Hiranya Garva Garvaste Hema Bija Vibhavasa Ananta Punyam Paladam Mama Shantre Prayachatur Drivyadanam Samarpayami. Next you take flowers, offer flowers in front of the murti and then inside of the kalsa. Om Mallakari Sugandhini Mallatyani Ne Prabhu Maya Grihani Pujar Pushpani Prati Grihitam. Take the mango leaf, offer it inside of the kalsa. Om Sri Panchpal Dev Ki Jai. Next we take up a parai with a diya, arti the whole berry. Om Sajayan Shmurti Sanyukam Vahinayo Dipam Brihana Devashya Trailokya Timirapaha यानि चानि जपानि जन्मन्तरकृतानि च तानि चानि विनश्यन्ति प्रदक्षिणा परे परे ॐ गं गणपतये नमः ॐ यः परिमीर्यः फलपुष्पापुष्पिणी बृहस्पति प्रसूमुं सर्वं सः ॐ भूः ॐ भुवः ॐ स्वः ॐ महः ॐ जनः ॐ तपः ॐ सत्यम् ॐ ह्रीं तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं श्रीं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि क्लीं धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् आपो ज्योतिरसोमितं ब्रह्म भूर्भुवस्वरो वपरिकल् ॐ गं गणपतये नमः ॐ गं गणपतये नमः ॐ गं गणपतये नमः प्रेम से बोलो गजानन स्वामी की जय Take flowers and offer Om Nidya Om Namaste Astu Mahamaye Shri Pite Sarvipujite Shankara Chakra Gadahaste Mahalakshmi Namastute Prem se bolo Mahalakshmi Mata ki Jai. Alright, so now we're going over to the second part of the puja. All the offerings, again, you're going to start in front of the Murti, and this time you're going down the length of the 9 pan each in front of you. So you're starting with the water offering. Oh, offer. Om Gangis Chayamuna Chaiva Godavari Nadabahapi Sindhu Kalverijam Srinkuru Om Argyam Patyam Snanam Samarpiyami Om Ekadantaye Vidamahe Vakratundaye Dhimahi Tano Dante Prachodayat Om Gam Ganapatiye Namaha. Next, you offer the Panchamrit in the same order. Om Payo Devi Gritan Chaiva Madhu Sharkara Samayutam Panchamritam Mayanitam Pranaritam Prati Grihitam Payo Devi Gritam Chaiva Madhu Sharkara Samayutam Panchamritam Mayanitam Pranaritam Prati Grihitam Shri Ganesh Bhagavan ki Jai. Take your cotton wool and break pieces and offer. Om Veda Sukta Samayukta Yajna Sama Sauram Sarva Varna Pravedeva Vasasi Prati Grihitam Om Vastradanam Samarpiyami Om Veda Sukta Samayukta Yajna Sama Sauram Sarva Varna Pravedeva Vasasi Prati Grihitam. Offer the Raksha thread, wrap up a piece around the finger and offer it in front of Lord Ganesh, and then you do the same, open a length straight across the 9 palm leaves. Om Brahma Vishnu Mahesh Chai Nityam Brahma Sutrakam Yajyopavitam Dinapatiyam Kamalapati Om Yajyopavitam Paramam Pavitram Prajapati Stihani Cha Yajyopavitam Balamastu Teja Om Yajyopavitam Danam Samarpiyami. Take your chandan. Offer. Om Sri Kanda Chandanam Divyam Dandaryo Sumiro Hari Vilepani Shri Shreshtam Chandanam Prati Grihitam Om Ekadantaye Vidamahe Vakratundaye Dhimahi Tano Dante Prachodayat Om Gam Ganapatiye Namaha. Prem se bolo Gajanan Swami ki Jai. When you finish, the person next to you, you can put chandan for each other. Now you'll hold back a little bit of flowers and do grass and so on. Just so you'll come onto your individual offering by the Murti when we finish. After we conclude, a little bit of flowers, a little bit of grass and so on. Alright, so let us offer Hardi now. Om Haridram Nirmitam Devam Saubhagya Sukha Samparam Atastvam Pujaishyami Grihana Parameshwara Sarva Mangala Mangalye Shrive Sarvat Sadhike Sharanye Trayambike Gauri Narayani Namastute Ekadantai Vidamahe Vakratundaya Dhimahi Tano Danti Prachodayat. Take this Sindur now. Om Sindurnam Shobhanam Raktan Saubhagya Sukha Samparam Sukharam Moksharam Chaiva Sindur Danam Prati Grihitam. Om Ekadantai Vidamahe Vakratundaya Dhimahi Tano Danti Prachodayat. प्रेम से बोलो श्री गणेश भगवान की जय. Take your food grass and little by little you offer Om Kandat Kandat Purhanti Purusha Purusha Pradi Evame Dubame Pratano Sahasta Shatinaya Char Durvadanam Samarpayami. Om Pranamya Shirase Devam Gauri Putra Vinayakam Bhaktavasan Smare Nityam Kamartan Siddhake. Om Prataman Vakratundacha Ekanantan Dvitiyakan Trityan Krishna Pingaksha Raja Raktan Chaturkam. Om Gam Ganapatiye Namaha. Take your perfume and offer. Om Gandha Grihana Devashya Deva Deva Nidhi Twamev Jagatam Natras Twamev Jagatam Prabho Gandha Danam Samarpayami. So take up your tarya with your rice and sugar and you use the leaves, the mango leaf. Scoop up a little bit of the ghee and the sugar mixture and offer. Starting in front of Lord Ganesh. Om Sharkara Kandakaryani Dadi Chirgrihani Cha Aharam Bhakshabhojan Naivedyam Prati Grihitam Naivedyam Prati Grihitam Bhakti Me Hanchalanchu Klipsitam Me Harandehi Pradachara Prangatim. Om Brahmarpanam Brahmavir Brahmaganau Brahmamahutam Brahmeva Teva Gantavyam Brahmakarma Simarinam Aham Vaishnadano Bhutva Pranina Nihamashita Pranapana Samayuktam Panchamyam Chaturvidam. Om Ekadantaye Vidamahe Vakratundaya Dhimahi Tano Danti Prachodayat. Offer water now in those same spots that you put the rice and the sugar. Yes. Everybody finished? Okay, let us go. Om Papuham Papakarmaham Papatma Sambhava Trahimam Kundari Kaksha Sarva Papa Haro Hari. Om Ekadantaye Vidamahe Vakratundaya Dhimahi Tano Danti Prachodayat. Shri Ganesh Bhagavan ki. Offer palm leaf now. Make sure the tip of the palm leaf is pointing you. Om Irang Palang Maya Devistan Pitam Purna Tastava Tiname Sutta Janmani Janmani. Om Trayambakam Yajamvahe सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमेव वंदना मृत्योर्मोक्ष्यमामृतात्. Next, you take up your clove and little by little you offer it top of the palm leaves. Om Lavam Karpura Samyuktam Tambulam Surpujitam Prityagrihana Devashya. Remember, you have to keep clove for Havan to it. Mama Saukyam Vivardhanam Lavam Karpura Samyuktam Tambulam Surpujitam Prityagrihana Devashya. Mama Saukyam Vivardhanam Tambulam Samarpayami. When you finish, put on that and take up your supari. One each. On every, try and get it on the pani. If it's rolling, just tuck it somewhere near the flowers. Om Punge Palam Mahadivyam Nagamalai Samayuktam Kari Radhi Samayuktam Tambuldanam Prati Grihitam. Om Tambulam Samarpayami. Om Punge Palam Mahadivyam Nagamalai Samayuktam Kari Radhi Samayuktam Tambuldanam Prati Grihitam. Next you will offer water. Same places you put on the supari. Om Papuham Papukarmaham Papatma Sambhava Trahimam Pundari Kaksha Sarva Papa Haro Hari Samasta Deva Deveshe Sarva Kritankaram Prabham Akandananda Sampurna Grihan Jalamutamam. Shri Ganga Mata Ki Jai. Take coins and offer. Om Hiranya Garva Garvaste Hema Bija Vibhavasa Ananta Punyam Palanam Mama Shantriya Prayachatur. Om Drividanam Samarpayami. Om Lakshmi Karotu Kalyanam Arogyam Sukha Sampradam Mama Shatru Vinashaya Deepa Jyotir Namastute. Mahalakshmi Mata Ki Jai. Offer flowers. Om Malakari Sugandhini Malatyani Ne Prabhu Maya Grihani Puja Art Pushpani Prati Grihitam. Om Pushpam Samarpayami. Om Malakari Sugandhini Malatyani Ne Prabhu Maya Grihani Pujar Pushpani Prati Grihitam. Om Pushpam Samarpayami. Om Ekadantaye Vidmahe Vakratundaye Dhimahi Tanno Danti Prachodayat. Om Gam Ganapatiye Namaha. Shri Ganesha Bhagavan Ki Jai. Take your incense and light it up. RTD Berry, everybody light up the incense? Huh? Alright, RTD Whole Berry. Om Vanaspati Surevyu Gandhara Gandhavutame Aragrasal Vadevanam Dupoyam Prati Grihitam. You can add it You can stick it on the rice and the parai if you know how to do it. If not, try and secure it somewhere on some container or a piece of fruit, maybe. Alright, so take up your tariya with prasad. Yes, if you have your cloth offering, take your cloth offering with the prasad at one time. In the tariya, you can put a little bit of the young bay leaf if you have it. If you have it, it's not a problem if you don't. And put some flowers, put some grass. Red, yellow, any color you have, make do with whatever you have at this stage. Make sure you don't have tulsi in others, you'll spoil your personal offering. In your cloth offering, you can put some money. Anything you have. Don't put the money in the tariya, you don't put money in food. So this is how you're going to do it. Hold the cloth, put the money on top of the cloth, and put the tariya on top of all of that now. That is if one person doing it. If you have more than one person with you, one could hold the cloth offering with the money, one could hold the prasad offering. Concentrate on Bhagwan Ganapati. Take your appropriate names, take your home address, and you ask Bhagwan for what you want out of this Utsav celebration that you are observing. Om Hari Om Tat Tat Hari Om Tat Tat Hari Om Tat Tat. Om Vishnu 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 Devari Bhagavato Mahapurushatya Vishnu Radya Paradya Manusya Shri Brahmanodviti Paradya Vishnu Padya Shri Sheta Baraha Kalpe Vaivashta Manvantare Ashtadin Chatame Kaliyuge Kalipatama Charadane Jambulvite Aryavarte Punya Chetre. Take your name. Iti Sri Bhaktanamasya Gotrasya Sri Mahaganapati. Take your name. Naivedyam Danam Vastradanam Dakshinam Danam Sankalpam Samarpiyami. Om Sharkara Kanya Karyani Bari Chiribrihani Cha Aharam Bhakshadogan Naivedyam Tati Grihitam. Om Brahmarupadam Brahmavir Brahmadanam Brahmamahutam Brahmeva Deva Dantavyam Brahmakarmasimaninam Aham Vaishnadaro Bhutva Prani Narihamashita Pranapana Samayutam Panchamyam Chaturvidam Om Ekadantaya Dirmahe Vakratundaya Dhimahi Tano Dante Prachodayat. Shri Ganesh Bhagwan Ki Jai. Touch it to the baby. Pull it up to your forehead 3 times. So you will take out all the flowers and the grass and so on. and you will offer it in front of your murti. So you cover back your tari and put it on. Alright, so let us get ready to organize ourselves for the Havan. So put every second for a mango leaf. Light your canfan arti the whole baby. Om Sajayan Shumruti Sanyukan Vahinayo Dipam Grihanade Vishya Trailukya Timirapaha Yani Tani Japani Janmantar Kritani Cha Tani Tani Vinashyanti Pradakshana Pare Pare Shri Ganesh Bhagwan Ki empty thought inside the Havan. Alright, take a flower. Very good basket. Put some rice on the palm leaf next to the fire. Touch the flowers to the fire, pull it up to your forehead. Om Hurguvaswa, Om Hurguvaswa. Raurina Bumna Prativeva Varimna Tasyaste. Prativeva Deva Yajani Pratishta. Aganim Anadhaya, Anadhaya, Dhadaya. Take another flower, fan the fire in all direction. Om Urvadya Swaragani Pratichagrahi Tamashta Srasitamayancha. Asmin Saryate Ayurasme Vishwadeva Yajani Manashcha Siddhata. Offer water on the fire. Om Adite Anumanaswa. Om Anumate Anumanaswa. ओम सरस्वती अनुमनस्वा देव सवित्रा प्रसूभा यज्ञं प्रसूभा यज्ञोपति वगायो दिव्य गंधर्वर केतुपु केतन पुनतु वाचस्पतिर्वाचन स्वरतु ओम गं गणपतिये नमः। प्रेम से बोलो गजानन स्वामी की जय। So this is how the Havan is going. We will do our normal Havan first with all our Havan mantras, and then we will make 108 offerings to Lord Ganesh. After that, then we will mix up the rice and the sugar and the prasad and then offer again. Okay? So let us get ready to make our first set of offerings. Om Shri Mahaganapatiye Namaha. Om Shri Mahasaraswatiye Namaha. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Namaha. Om Namo Narayanaya Namaha. Om Shri Mahalakshmiye Namaha. Om Namah Shivaya Namaha. Om Namo Durgaya Namaha. Om Prithvi Dharati Matayebhyo Namaha. Om Ganga Mataya Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Chandramaste Namaha. Om Bhaumaya Namaha. Om Budhaya Namaha. Om Brihaspatiye Namaha. Om Shukraya Namaha. Om Sanishwaraya Namaha. Om Rahave Namaha. Om Ketave Namaha. Om Agni Devtayebhyo Namaha. Om Prajapatiye Namaha. Om Indraya Namaha. Om Ham Hanumate Namaha. Om Shri Sitaramaya Namaha. Om Taitiskaru Devtayebhyo Namaha. Om Chausat Yogini Namaha. Om Das Mahavidyaya Namaha. Om Sarvana Bhavaya Namaha. Om Namo Bhairavaya Namaha. Om Bhurvuvaswaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Yo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Bhurvuvaswaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Yo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Bhurvuvaswaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Yo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Sarvebhyo Devebhyo Namaha. Om Sarvebhyo Brahmanebhyo Namaha. Om Sarvadevi Sarvadevtayebhyo Namaha. Swaha. Offer water on the fire. Om Papuham Papukarmaham Papatma Sambhava Trahimam Pundarikaksha Sarva Papa Haro Hari Agni Dev Ki Jai. So let us concentrate on Lord Ganesh as we make our 108 offerings into the fire. Om Ganganapatiye Namaha Swaha. 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 ओम गं गणपतियै नमः स्वाहा 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 ओम गं गणपतये 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 नमः स्वाहा ओम श्री ह्रीं क्लीं गणेश्वराय ब्रह्मरूपाय चारवे सर्वसिद्धि प्रदेशाय विघ्नेश्वराय नमो नमः ओम गं गणपतये नमः स्वाहा Pour around the fire. Om Papuham Papukarmaham Papatma Sambhava Rahimam Pundarikaksha Sarva Papa Haro Hari Agni Dev Ki Jai. Pass your hands over the flame and raise hand. Take flowers in your hand. Concentrate on Lord Ganesh. And recite the Ganapati Upanishad. भद्रं कर्णेमी शृणुयाम देवं भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्रा स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टवागं शष्टनो देवहितं यदायु ॐ नमस्ते गणपतये त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं तत्त्वमसि त्वमेव केवलं कर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं हर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं हर्तासि त्वमेव सर्वकल्विदं ब्रह्मासि त्वं साक्षात्मसि नित्यं ऋतं वक्ष्मि सत्यं वक्ष्मि अवत्वं माम् अवभ्रक्तारम् अवश्रोतारम् अवदातारम् अवधातारम् अवनूनामवशिष्याम् अवपश्चाताहातो अवपुरस्ताताहातो अवोत्तराताहातो अवदक्षिणाताहातो अवचोर्वाताहातो अवधराताहातो सर्वतो मां पाहि पाहि समन्तात् त्वं वाङ्मयस्त्वा चिन्मयः त्वम् आनन्दस्त्वया ब्रह्ममय त्वं सच्चिदानंद द्वितीयोऽसि त्वं प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि त्वं ज्ञानमयो विज्ञानयोमसि सर्वजगदिदं तत्तो जायते सर्वजगदिदं च तिष्ठति सर्वजगदिदं च लभिष्यति सर्वजगदिदं च प्रतिष्ठति त्वं भूमिरापो नलो निनो नभः तं चक्रादि रक्तानि त्वं गुणत्रयातीताः त्वं अवस्थत्रयातीताः त्वं देहत्रयातीताः त्वं कालत्रयातीताः त्वं मूलाधारस्थितोऽसि नित्यं त्वं शक्तित्रयात्मका त्वं योगिनो ध्यायन्ति नित्यं त्वं ब्रह्मास्त्वं विष्णुस्त्वं रुद्रस्त्वं इन्द्रस्त्वं अग्निस्त्वं वायुस्त्वं सूर्यस्त्वं चन्द्रमस्त्वं ब्रह्मभूर्भुवस्वरो गणादीन् पूर्वमुच वरस्तलतलम् अनुस्वापरातलम् अर्धेन्दुरसितं तरेण हृदम् एतत्तवामनुस्वरूपं गताका पूर्वमरूपम् अकारो मध्यमरूपम् अनुस्वरचिन्दुरूपम् बिन्दुरूपरूपम् नाधा संदिता संगहिता संधिः सैशान गणेश विद्या गणकः ऋषिः निश्चित गायत्री चन्द्रः गणपति देवता ओम गं गणपतियै नमः एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ती प्रचोदयात् एकदन्तं चतुर्हस्तं पाशंकुशधारिणं रथं च वरदं हस्तैर्भीमामूषकध्वजं रक्तं लम्बोदरं शूर्पकर्णकारक्तभासन्नं रक्तगन्धानिलुप्तं रक्तपुष्पैः सपूजितं भक्तानाकम्पिनं देव जगत्कामच्युतम् अभिभूतसृष्टो प्रकृति पुरुषात्मकम् य एवं देवं ध्यायन्ति यो नित्यं स योगी योगिना वर्णम् नमो व्रातपतये नमो गणपतये नमः प्रमपतये नमस्ते अस्तु लंबोदराय कदन्ताय विघ्ननाशिने शिवसुताय वरदमूर्तये नमः एतदा अथर्वशीर्षं योदीते सर्वब्रह्ममूर्त कल्पते सत्सद्विघ्नेन बाध्यते स सर्वसुखामेरते स पंचमहापाप प्रमुच्यते सायामरिनो दिव्यकृतं पापं नाशायति प्रतरात्रिनो रात्रिकृतं पापं नाशायति सायं प्रतप्रमुञ्जनो पापो पापो भवति सर्वत्रादिपविघ्नो भवति धर्म अर्काम मोक्ष विन्दति इदं देव अथर्वशीर्षं न देयं यो यदि मोहदस तस्मिन् स पापीनं भवति सहस्रवर्ग्यायं कामयते तं तनानेन सार्यते अनेन गणपति अथर्वशीर्षं स वाग्मी भवति चतुर्थ्या चाप्मनस्त्याति स विद्यावान् भवति इत्यावर्णावृत्तं ब्रह्म विद्यावर्णं विद्यानां कववेदीते करेति यः दूर्वाङ्कुरै जयति स वैश्वमनो भवति यो लाजै जयति यशोवान् भवति स मेधवान् भवति यो मोदकसहस्रेण जयति स वाञ्छितफलमवाप्नोति यः सर्व सज्यामीद सर्जयति स सर्वं लभते स सर्वं लभते अष्टौ ब्राह्मण संयज्ञ ग्रहति त्वा सूर्यवर्चस्वी भवति सूर्यग्रहणेन प्रतिमा संवितौ ताजिप्तं सिद्धा मन्त्रो भवति स विघ्नात् प्रमुच्यते महादोषा प्रमुच्यते महाप्रत्यवान् प्रमुच्यते स सर्वविघ्नात् भवति स सर्वविघ्नात् भवति य एवं देवं इत्योपनिषद ओम श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं गणेश्वराय ब्रह्मरूपाय चारवे सर्वसिद्धि प्रदेशाय विघ्नेश्वराय नमो नमः ओम गं गणपतये नमः एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ती प्रचोदयात्। प्रेम से बोलो श्री गणेश भगवान की। All right. So in your taria with rice and sugar, you're going to put pieces, a little bit of prasad that you offer. Offer your flowers by the murti, of course. And put a little bit of everything inside of the taria with rice and sugar for Hawan. This final Hawan you're going to do, we're going to use the 32 names of Bhagwan Ganapati. Yeah, seriously. You all ready? Everybody ready? Okay. Remember, it's 32 offerings, about 33 to 34 offerings will be doing. Okay, let us concentrate on Bhagwan Ganapati. Om Bala Ganapati Namaha Swaha. Om Taruna Ganapati Namaha Swaha. Om Bhakti Ganapati Namaha Swaha. Om Veera Ganapati Namaha Swaha. Om Shakti Ganapati Namaha Swaha. Om Dvija Ganapati Namaha Swaha. Om Siddhi Ganapati Namaha Swaha. Om Uchishta Ganapati Namaha Swaha. Om Vigna Ganapati Namaha Swaha. Om Kshipra Ganapati Namaha Swaha. Om Hiramba Ganapati Namaha Swaha. Om Lakshmi Ganapati Namaha Swaha. Om Maha Ganapati Namaha Swaha. Om Vijaya Ganapati Namaha Swaha. Om Naritya Ganapati Namaha Swaha. Om Udava Ganapati Namaha Swaha. Om Ekshara Ganapati Namaha Swaha. Om Var Ganapati Namaha Swaha. Om Trayaksha Ganapati Namaha Swaha. Om Haridra Ganapati Namaha Swaha. Om Kshipra Prasada Ganapati Namaha Swaha. Om Ekadanta Ganapati Namaha Swaha. Om Srishti Ganapati Namaha Swaha. Om Udanta Ganapati Namaha Swaha. Om Runamochana Ganapati Namaha Swaha. Om Dhundi Ganapati Namaha Swaha. Om Trimukha Ganapati Namaha Swaha. Om Trimukha Ganapati Namaha Swaha. Om Guru Ganapati Namaha Swaha. ओम सिंह गणपतियै नमः स्वाहा ओम योग गणपतियै नमः स्वाहा ओम दुर्गा गणपतियै नमः स्वाहा ओम final name Om San, don't take up all, remember we have a few more to do. Sankatahara Ganapatiyai Namah Swaha. Alright, so let us make our final sets offering to Lord Ganesh. Om Ekadantaye Vidmahe Vakratundaye Dhimahi Tanno Danti Prachodayat Swaha. Om Vakratundaya Hum Swaha. Om Shri Hrim Klim Ganeshwaraya Brahmarupaya Charve Sarva Siddhi Pradeshaya Vigneshwaraya Namo Nama Swaha. Right. Final offering now. Take up whatever you have remaining. On your palm leaf, put a piece of cotton and take up your final offering. Stand up when you're done. All stuff, strip it out from the taro, from your bowl or whatever, put it on the palm leaf. Take your name. Om Purnamidam Purnamida Purnat Purnamudachite Purnamasya Purnamarhaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Sarvamvai Purnagam Om Sarvamvai Purnagam Om Sarvamvai Purnagam Swaha. Offer it, make sure it stays properly. Take your lota water, offer water around the fire. Om Papuham Papukarmaham Patatma Sambhava Trahimam Kundari Kaksha Sarva Papa Haro Hari. Take a flower and fan the fire in all direction. Om Vanaspati Sodevyu Gandharganda Uttame Argra Sarva Devanan Dupoyan Prati Grihitam Agni Dev Ki Jai. Pass the hands over the flame and over yourself. Use your Havan spoon and light up a piece of camphor to do arati. And you do arati in your spot there. When you're done and you move out your fire thing, then you'll come and when we close up, then you'll come very big murti here. Alright, so put a piece of camphor in your Havan spoon or in your tarya or whatever you choose to use to do arati. Light it up, stand right here, you do the arati and turn the thing right here. Om Sajayan Sumruti Sanitan Vahinayo Dipam Grahanadevasya Trailokya Tindrapaha Yani Kani Japani Satmantarkatani Cha Kani Kani Vinashanti Pradakshana Pare Pare. Om Pradanya Shirate Devam Gauri Putra Vinayakam Bhaktavasam Smare Nityam Kamartam Siddhati Prasamam Vatritunda Chaikadantam Dvitiyakam Tritiyam Krishna Pindaksha Rajaratam Chaturtam Lamodaram Panchamanta Shashtam Vikatane Vacha Saptamam Vignarajan Dhungavarnam Chatashkatam Navaman Balachandati Dashamantu Vinayakam Ekadashvaranta Swadashtu Gajanadam. Om Shri Hrim Ganeshwaraya Brahmarupaya Sarve Sarva Siddhi Pradeshaya Vigneshwaraya Namo Namaha. Om Gam Ganapatiyai Namaha. Shri Ganesh Bhagwan ki Jai. Alright, secure your fire and detain your horn kunu wherever. When it's done, take out the ring from your hand and open it out. Take flowers in your hand. Concentrate on Lord Ganesh. Om Tvameva Mata Cha Pita Tvameva Tvameva Bandhu Cha Saka Tvameva Tvameva Vidya Dravinam Tvameva Tvameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva Om Mantrahinam Kriyahinam Bhaktihinam Janardhanam Yat Pujitam Maya Deva Paripurnam Tarastu Me Kayena Vacha Manasrendriyatva Buddhyatmana Va Prakriti Swabhagya Karoni Yagyam Sakalam Tarasmai Narayanayati Samarpayami Om Dyav Shanti Antariksha Shanti Prithvi Shanti Apa Shanti Roshade Shanti Vanaspati Shanti Vishwaveda Shanti Sarvagam Shanti Shanti Deva Shanti Sama Shanti Dehi Shubha Shanti Shanti Shanti. Prem se bolo Shri Ganesh Bhagwan ki Jai. Offer the flowers in front of the Murti. So what I want you all to do this time, secure your fire, put the fire on the southern side and the walkway over there. Secure your parasol and then come back to your daily area. Anybody have an extra also then?
Yeah, that's all. Shall we that? It's again, that's all. There is anybody.
Oh, let you walk over there. Alright, so put the flower in your seed hat and put it in front of you. Put the flower in the seed bag and hold it right in front of you. Concentrate on Lord Ganesh. Om Hari Om Tat Sat Hari Om Tat Sat Hari Om Tat Sat. ओम विष्णु श्रीमद्भगवतो महापुरुषस्य विष्णुराद्य पराद्य मनस्याद्य श्री ब्रह्मणोद्वेति पराद्य विष्णुपद्य श्री श्वेतवारह कल्पे वैवष्टमन्वन्त्रे अष्टाविंशतमे कलियुगे कलिप्रथमाचरण में जाम्बुद्वीपे आर्यवर्ते पुण्यक्षेत्रे टेक योर नेम्स इति श्री भक्तनामस्य गोत्रस्य श्री दक्षिणं दानं संकल्पं समर्पयामि मंगलम भगवान विष्णु मंगलम गरुड़ध्वज मंगलम पुंडरीकाक्ष मंगलाय तनोहरि से ओम श्री कृष्ण अर्पणम. All right, you could bring your seedhas and offer them. Remember, when you're moving, be mindful that the person baby is next to you. Don't put your foot on anybody else's baby. Yeah. Oh, put it on your seedhas. Alright, what I want you all to do now, the lightened diya in top of your baby, take it up and bring it and offer it here. And you could do your offerings like offer your flowers, offer your grass, offer your money, and so on. Be careful when you put in your diya, this is cloth, I don't want this cloth burn at all. So make sure you secure it properly. Then you go back and secure your stuff to take back home. Put the diya, only the diya on the baby over here, and you can do your offerings and so on.
Sini bag. I will put on this big area on the ordinary area as well.
Yeah. Now when you clean up the cloth, you can carry that cloth and offer it in revive, not tonight, tomorrow morning. It's also water, you can use it and bathe off and with it, spread it around your place, your vehicle, your business, whatever have you. And before the boiler, you have to step back on these chairs and here. And remember you have one corner thing here. Your deadline is Sunday or else Thursday garbage. Yeah, you can do it. If you need the have one corner, there are two pipes, one by the preparatory on that side and the hose is there. There's pipes on this side to cool it off and then take it with you. Now just let me have your attention. Just hold it on that side if you want. Just listen to what I say. You don't have to come. Just listen to what I say. Hey. Hold up. Just listen to what I have to say. For those of you who want to do your personal offering Sunday morning for service, we are just in Sunday service to accommodate the Ganesh Utsav. So some of you took days to sit down to do your personal puja, some of you didn't. In case you didn't and you still want to do something, just bring your thyroid fruits, bring your mala, bring your dub grass, bring your flowers, and the Sunday service will be specifically geared towards the Ganesh Utsav this Sunday. Okay? So those of you who, for some reason or the other, you didn't take the murti, you didn't come and do puja, you can have your opportunity again during Sunday service. Okay?